Sorghum, nutrient-rich goodness and gluten-free option. Introduction. In recent times, there has been an increase in demand for alternative grain as people search for more nutritious and gluten-free alternatives to the traditional products made from wheat. One of the grains that has attracted interest is sorghum. Sorghum is not just a nutrient-rich, but is also a great gluten-free choice, which makes it an excellent option for people with restricted diets or who want to broaden their menus. This article will look at the many advantages of sorghum for health and the ways it can be integrated into our diets. 1. Nutritional value of sorghum. Sorghum is a grain which is loaded with vital nutrients. It is a great source of fiber, offering both insoluble and soluble fiber that aids in digestion and aids in maintaining the health of your digestive tract. It also contains antioxidants, including phenolic compounds that help lower the risk of developing chronic illnesses. Additionally, sorghum is rich in minerals such as potassium as well as phosphorus and magnesium. These minerals are vital to maintain proper bodily functions. 2. Gluten-free alternative. For those suffering from celiac condition or gluten sensitivity, seeking gluten-free alternatives to products made from wheat can be a challenge. However, sorghum is an excellent alternative since it is not a source of gluten. This is a secure and healthy choice for those who are trying to eliminate the gluten in their daily diet. In recent times, sorghum flour is becoming increasingly sought after as a substitute of wheat flour for baking. It allows those who are gluten-free to indulge in a variety of baked goods without losing the taste or texture. 3. Versatility in cooking. One of the best things about sorghum is its versatility when it comes to cooking. It is available in a variety of forms, such as whole grain syrup, flour, and even popped sorghum. Whole grain sorghum is cooked in a similar way to quinoa or rice, providing a healthy base for pilafs, salads, and stir-fries. Sorghum flour is a great ingredient in baking, substituting wheat flour in bread recipes, cakes, cookies, and cakes. Sorghum syrup, renowned for its rich and sweet flavor, is a great choice to sweeten foods for drinks and desserts. Sorghum that has been popped, like popcorn, is an excellent and nutritious snack option. 4. Health benefits. Apart from having no gluten, sorghum has many health advantages. The high content of fiber helps in digestion and may aid in preventing constipation. The antioxidants in sorghum protect you from cell damage and decrease the risk of developing chronic illnesses like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. The presence of vital minerals in sorghum aids in the health of bones, muscles function, and nerve transmission. Sorghum also has an extremely low glycemic index, which means it doesn't cause an abrupt increase of blood sugar, which makes it suitable for people with diabetes or who want to control the blood sugar level. 5. Environmental sustainability. In addition to its health and nutritional advantages, sorghum also has environmental benefits. It uses less water than other cereal crops such as wheat and corn, which makes it an environmentally sustainable choice in areas that are prone to drought. Sorghum has a broader root system that helps to prevent soil erosion and improves soil fertility. Additionally, it is a highly efficient crop when it comes to energy consumption, since it requires less inputs such as pesticides and fertilizers, which reduces the environmental impact. 6. Conclusion. Sorghum is a very nutritious grain that is a great gluten-free option. Its flexibility in cooking as well as its health benefits and sustainability in the environment make it a beneficial supplement to our diets. If you're looking for ways to boost your health overall, control gluten-related sensitivity, or experiment with different recipes, sorghum provides many options. Why not think about adding this nutritious and gluten-free grain into your diet and feel the benefits firsthand?